So, you want to start trading in 2025? Great choice. You're either trying to get rich, escape your 9 to 5, or you just saw someone on Instagram flexing their P&L and thought, "Yup, this is my destiny." Whatever your reason, you're here now, and this video is where it all begins, and hopefully not where it all ends, like it does for 90% of beginners who go all in on a meme coin at 3 a.m. Step 1. Before you even think of clicking buy or sell, you need a TradingView account. Go to tradingview.com, make a free account. Don't overthink the username. No one cares if you're Wolf of Sector 69. And boom, you've unlocked your charting dojo. Now, there are 4 major markets you can trade in. Stocks, aka betting on companies that either change the world or go bankrupt. Forex, currencies battling each other like it's a WWE cage match. Crypto, for when you want to question your life decisions at 2 a.m. Commodities, gold, oil, and sometimes orange juice futures. Yes, that's a real thing. Each market has its own open hours. Forex, 24 hours, 5 days a week. Best traded during the 3 main sessions, London, New York, and Tokyo, Asia. The juiciest moves, usually in London-New York overlap. Stocks, depends on the country. U.S. market is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST. Indian markets, 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. IST. Crypto, open 24/7, which is awesome until your coin crashes at 4 a.m. and you wake up to an existential crisis. As for commodities, it varies very much according to different products and their types. So here's an example of a few of them, and the rest you can just Google it and it's very easy to find. Next, moving on to the next topic, candlestick charts. Each candle shows the open, high, low, and close of price within a certain time frame. Green candle, price went up. Red candle, price went down. Super long wick on top, that candle went to the moon and got rejected like your high school crush. Don't worry too much about memorizing a million candle patterns. First, just understand what each candle tells you about price movement. Next up, time frames. This one's easy. A 1-minute chart is that each candle shows 1 minute of price. A 1-day chart is that each candle shows 1 day. Use lower time frames for scalping or day trading. Use higher time frames, 4H, daily, weekly, for swing trading and clarity. Think of it like zooming out of Google Maps. Sometimes you need to see the whole city, not just one shady alley. Let's talk support and resistance. Support equals price level where buyers tend to jump in. Resistance equals price level where sellers start throwing punches. These can be zones, wide areas where price bounces. Trend lines, diagonal support resistance following a trend. They're not laser beams, more like bouncy fences. Price touches them, reacts. Maybe bounces, maybe breaks through. Next, let's start with identifying trends. Trends are the market's mood swings. Uptrend equals higher highs, higher lows. The market's feeling optimistic. Downtrend equals lower highs, lower lows. The market's in therapy. Sideways equals price going nowhere. Like me on weekends. Before you risk real money, set up a paper trading account on TradingView. Why? Because paper doesn't cry when you lose. Go to TradingView, click on Trading Panel, and connect the built-in paper trading option. Boom, you're trading with Monopoly money. Now listen closely. Risk management is your seatbelt, helmet, and anti-anxiety med all rolled into one. From day one, I want you to live by this rule. Never risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. You've got a $100 account, risk $1 per trade. You've got a $1,000 account, risk $10. But the profits look so small. Yeah, they do. But guess what? Small profits compound. Big losses compound too, just in the other direction. It's the difference between slow growth and fast regret. And please, never trade without a stop loss. That's like riding a bicycle with no brakes. Sure, you'll go fast until you meet Mr. Wall. Stop loss is your emergency exit. It limits how much you lose. Take it seriously, like read the terms and conditions seriously. Pick one strategy, just one, not 20, and then backtest it over and over for weeks. Use TradingView's replay mode. Check how your strategy would have performed in past charts. Make notes. See how it handles different market conditions. Then, stick with that one strategy for 2 to 3 months. Not 2 to 3 days, months. Because here's the truth. If you keep changing strategies every week, you'll never give them the chance to work. It's like planting a tree and digging it up every time it doesn't grow overnight. So here's your 2025 Trading Starter Pack. Set up a TradingView account. Learn candles, trends, and support resistance. Trade in a market that suits your lifestyle and time zone. Open a paper trading account, stick to the 1% rule, and never skip stop loss. Pick one strategy, backtest the life out of it, and commit. And finally, remember this. The goal is to stay in the game. Because if you blow up your account on day 1 chasing a miracle, there won't be a day 2. Stay in, stay sharp, and let compounding do its thing. The creation of generational wealth will be taken care of later. All right, hit that like button if this helped. More videos on all these topics are coming. See you in the next one. And hey, don't trade without a stop loss. Seriously, for your mom's sake, at least.